Hello, Buck Domino and Domino community. This is Leslie, and I'd like to submit a video for the leadership board at Buck Domino. So let's go take a look, see what we got. Okay, we have here, which is a favorite to some, underwater category. Subcategory mini dominoes. I have 30 set up. A few went rogue. They were trying to go sideways on me, but they are completely submerged. I've got 30 set up here, and I tell you what, guys, what makes this so tricky is every time you put a domino in, every time you touch that water, they like to go wonky. But here we go. We're going to try our attempt at 30. Okay, let me get my tweezers. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. And it did it. 30 of them. Wow. Alrighty. And thank you for your consideration.